Open document spreadsheets. Graphs. Line graphs are useful for showing changes over time. Bar and column graphs are used when comparing items, to see, for example, which is bigger and which is smaller. And pie graphs are used to show the value of one data item compared with the others. In other words, what contribution it makes to the whole. So they show percentages. Select the Temp tab. It's important to select the data for a graph correctly. Drag the mouse over the times and the temperatures. On the standard toolbar, select the Chart button. When the chart wizard opens, select the type of graph. Because these are changes over time, we will need a line graph. Choose the type of line graph. Click Next. Because the data has already been selected, we can just click Next and Next. We need to give the graph a heading. Which we type in under Title. And we need to label the x-axis. The x-axis will be showing the times, and the y-axis will show the temperatures. We can turn off the legend. Click on Finish. The graph can be moved so that it's clearly visible. To add a border around the graph, change the setting to continuous and increase the line width. Change color if necessary. Select the Next tab. Select the data correctly. Select the cities, hold down the Control key and select the low pollution days for 2013. Click on Chart. In the Chart wizard, choose a column graph. We usually choose the simplest version of a graph. Click on Next and Next and Next. Type in a title for the graph. Type in a title for the x-axis. And a title for the y-axis. Turn off the legend and click on Finish. Again, the graph can be formatted using the tools on the Drawing toolbar. Select the Carbon tab. Select the data. Select the mining or manufacturing sectors and the amounts of carbon dioxide emissions. Click on the chart. In the Chart wizard, select a pie chart. Click Next and Next. Because the data is already selected, click Next. Type in a chart title. If a subtitle is necessary, type it there. We just need to correct this. We will need to display the legend on the pie chart, otherwise we won't know which part is being described. Click on Finished. These are the parts that contribute towards the whole.